Only 4 years ago, people told us that the market for online games in Europe wasn't mature enough to support a game like World of Warcraft. I'm incredibly proud to stand here today and say without a doubt that you proved them very wrong. In fact, Blizzard now has 2 separate offices to support our European players. One office just 20 kilometers from here in Velesy, and one in Cork City, Ireland. I'd like you to all please say hello to the more than 600 employees from the Velesy office here today who helped to make this event possible. This past year has been an unbelievable one for us. Last year, we launched the fastest-selling PC game of all time, our first World of Warcraft expansion, The Burning Crusade, which sold 2.4 million copies in the first 24 hours. World of Warcraft grew from 8 million subscribers to over 10 million and counting. We had more big news last year. We also announced our planned merger with Activision to create Activision Blizzard. In a sense, you could say that we just leveled up. What does this mean for you? Well, if I do my job right, you shouldn't notice any difference. Despite being part of this new organization, our focus at Blizzard Entertainment will remain the same: to continue making great games. Last year's Worldwide Invitational was held at the Olympic Park in Seoul, Korea. This was the setting of our announcement for StarCraft II. That's right. Before we continue, I'd like to share with you some highlights from that event. The video that you were promised earlier, you will be able to now see.
I've been sitting in the darkness, but the sunlight's creeping in. Now the ice is slowly melting in my soul and in my skin. All the good times, my friend, yeah, are coming around again. Oh yeah.
It is my honor to present to you Blizzard's newest game.
블리자드 월드와이드 인비테이셔널의 개막을 선포합니다.
즐거운 시간 보내고 계십니까?
진행을 맡게 된 조동입니다. 반갑습니다.
You think for sure that's all you've got to endure.
위치도 좋습니다. 강민 선수. 양차 처음 얻지 못하면서 지금 3번.
들어왔어요. 워크래프트 최종 결승 대결입니다.
번째 세트에서 기세를 올린 선수가 마지은 선수가 될 것인지, 아니면 김태경 선수가 될 것인지. 어떻게 보면 정말 저그저 스페셜리스트 같아요.
폐막을 선포합니다.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 앱입니다.
여러분 멋있다.
이번 대회가 굉장히 성공적으로 치러진 것 같습니다.
어렸을 때부터 스타 되게 좋아했거든요. 좋아했는데 이거 스타투 나온 데서 와봤는데요. 진짜 좋습니다.
지방에서 이거 하나 보자고 여기까지 쫓아왔거든요. 너무 좋은 것 같아요. 월드와이드 인비테이셔널은 꼭 한번 와볼 만한 행사라고 생각됩니다.
We have an incredible event planned for you this year. You'll be able to watch the top professional StarCraft, Warcraft 3, and World of Warcraft players compete for more than $100,000 in prizes. You will also have the opportunity to enter your own tournaments. We have hundreds of computers for you to play the latest versions of Wrath of the Lich King and StarCraft 2. You'll have opportunities to meet Blizzard developers.